Hello and welcome everyone to a new video from Binder. My name is Annalena and today I'd like to share with you the M8 connector with decoding. M8 decode circular connectors are required when it comes to automating manufacturing plants, buildings, or infrastructure facilities. They are used for data communication, enabling industrial controllers and computers, as well as sensors and actuators, to network via protocols such as Ethernet IP or Profinet. These connectors are PoE+ capable and help users future-proof their networks. Future applications involve image processing systems, sensors, Ethernet switches, and gateway devices. In addition, decoded connectors can also power devices that require higher ratings of up to 30 watts. The 4-pin connectors enable secure network connectivities for actuators and sensors with data rates of up to 100 megabits. 4 symmetrically arranged, gold-plated brass contacts can withstand a rated voltage of 63 volts and a rated current of 4 amps. The M8 decode connectors are designed to withstand more than 100 mating cycles. They can be used in a temperature range from -40 to 80 Celsius in static state. Equipped with screw locking, the electromechanical interface meets the requirements of protection degree IP67 when mated and locked. Thus, it offers adequate protection against the harsh influences of typical industrial environments. The M8 decoded connectors are standardized with screw locking for power supply and data transmission. They include 360-degree shielding and are available as field wireable, overmolded cable, or panel mount parts. Field wireable versions are equipped with 2 cable outlets from 4 to 5.5 millimeters and 5 to 8 millimeters. Panel mount parts come with dip solder contacts in straight and angled versions. The M8 decode connectors are offered with 2 possible types of termination. Customers may choose from shieldable products with screw clamp termination and shielded molded cable connectors, while the former feature a 4 to 5.5 millimeter cable outlet and are designed for 0.14 to 0.5 millimeters squared wires. The wire gauge of the molded variants is 0.34 millimeters squared, also known as 22 gauge. In addition to straight male and female connectors, shieldable angled panel mount versions are also available. Thank you for your interest. For more information, please visit www.binder-connector.com.